Okay, here we have the Derazey School violin from 1860. This is a French antique original violin. We can see the quality of the woods. Here are the main restorations in this part. You can see the main restoration points near the neck joint, here and here. Everything is sound and stable. Here there is a little wing crack, also stable and well repaired. And okay, you can see the woods, the back, the head, the scroll. And now we'll hear a bit of its sound again. Let's hear it.